Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a Clickbank sales in Wix or how to link your Clickbank account on Wix. Without any further, let's get started. Actually, I have Wix account, so here it is. You can just use any of these sites, the one you created. There are multiple sites, so I'll go with this one. Okay, so it is going to redirect us to our site, the one we already created, and we just have to go to edit site, and it is going to redirect us again to that site, the editor, and from there we can just start our steps. So here it is, our site, the one I created before. It's all the music. All what we have to do is just to go to these pages and create a new page that is going to be for the Clickbank page. So add page and make it blank. We don't want to add any other thing. So just rename that as Clickbank and press done, and it will be over there. Okay, now here it is. This is the page, how it looks like. This is actually the design I chose for myself. It is all up to you, whatever design you like or it seems like to you, you can recreate that. Okay, so now let's just add element and go to button. Actually, there are two ways to add this Clickbank or to link it with our Wix website. So just choose any of these. There are multiple of choices, and you can say just put it wherever you want, locate it, and change the name of that, like shop here, obviously, as you are promoting your own account Clickbank. So you can also change the layout of that, or the look, or the color. It's all up to you, honestly. So I'm just gonna change the color for that. I'll go and choose from here. Probably I'll make it pinkish. Yeah, just add it, and here it is. Okay, so this is the first method I am showing you. To add link over here, just click on that and web address, paste the link of your specific account here, Clickbank account. Now new window or current window, wherever you want your visitor to be directed. So I'll go with a new window. And now this is actually how it looks like, simple. Once they press it, it will be shown. So the next method, you can just add a normal text, and I'll choose paragraph. I'm just giving you an example that you are writing down a specific info, like hello and welcome to my website. If you want to shop, just click here, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that specific thing, please click here. Okay, so select this text, please click here. So what you have to do is just to go on the same sign of link and paste that specific link, and just use the new window or current window. You can also do SEO settings for your website. So that's how it looks like. You can see the underline on your specific part. You can also delete that whenever you want to. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you one more thing, that you can always go to create your account on Clickbank to sign up. Unfortunately, it has just specific countries, not all countries around the world. So you have to add your phone number and stuff, and you can just create your own account. And to create your account, you will have your own link to be pasted over there. And basically, if we talk about this Clickbank, then it is best for sales if you are having you can say an online website to sell your own stuff, and you cannot really sell them, or you want to promote them, then you're using a Wix website. You can just link both of them together the way I showed you, and that's how you will be able visitors to your Wix to see your account over there on Clickbank, and ultimately they will be able to, you can say, shop from there, and your shopping rate will go high. It is best for those who has just started selling online, and they are seeking an online free websites. So both of them are totally free. The only issue is that Clickbank is specific for specific countries, not really all of countries. And moreover, it's like you can easily use that. There are hell of features you can see. You can add Stripe from your own Wix online account, or you can download that, upload that. Really flexible options. You don't feel like, sometimes you feel like, really, is it really free? But absolutely yes, it is free. So yeah, this is really best. And if we just look at the options we have everywhere on the screen, the site preview, stuff like that. Okay, I just want to show you how to see that actually, or how your visitor are going to see that specific like shop. I don't have the exact link for Clickbank. I'm just gonna add this example of Wix page, and I'm gonna link it to this button option, and we're just gonna go to preview and show you what exactly, or how exactly it will be looking for. So just if we click here, it is going to redirect us to new window, exactly like we chose. And yeah, here it is. Obviously it is just a Wix website, but I just wanted to show you the specific you can say way. And so that's it, I think, for you know today's video. I hope you really enjoyed, and don't you forget to like and subscribe for our YouTube channel. Okay, so take care for now. Thank you for watching.